Replace the water filter for LG refrigerator. Does dispensed water or ice taste getting strange? Water is dispensing slowly, or low ice production. Time to replace a new water filter. We recommend changing your water filter every 6 months. Your fridge will display this icon when it's time to change your water filter as well. The light will display just before the filter reaches its limit. Changing the filter on time ensures that you always get fresh and clean water from the appliance. First, unplug your appliance. Also turn off the water supply to the appliance. Open the left refrigerator door and remove the bottom door shelf. Remove the disposable water filter and replace it with a new one. Insert the new filter into the filter compartment and rotate it clockwise until the arrow on the filter head lines up with the arrow on its body. Then swing the filter back into the compartment. Turn the water supply to the appliance back on and plug it back in. Press and hold the water filter button for 3 seconds to reset the replacement filter sensor. Congratulations! Your new water filter has been installed and activated.